Welcome to Men with Beards, Lego, plastic bricks, children toy, engineering model. This week, Ellis and Charlie make their own Lego models. It can't be too difficult, they make that stuff for kids. Let us join them now. The Men with Beards.
Now we're gonna Lego our own Lego.
We have 5 minutes to build a piece of art out of Lego, which can be anything.
Something beautiful, really.
Yep.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, you guys ready?
Let's go.
Go.
Right. How you doing, Charlie?
Done.
Yeah, Charlie, you can't do that.
Talk us through what you're doing while you're doing it.
Right.
This is probably, don't want to give away all my plans, but basically wheels on the house go round and round. What if mine's like modern art?
All of those modern art.
Yeah, can't even guess it. It's too modern for you.
Tank thing.
Oh, I made that, Charlie. You're not stealing that. I made that one time.
Happy birthday.
Whoa! Come at me, bro.
But now Lego have tried to reboot it and have failed.
You know what? They should have never done the Hero Factory stuff.
I bought literally like all of them sets.
What, the Hero Factory?
Yep.
I bought a few of them and I was like, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. I cried. I'm a little man.
I need a hero.
I just kind of follow the instructions. I made like something.
You're not a
weird
master builder.
No, I'm not. I'm not masterful enough to be a builder. I made, I don't know, a spaceship. Everyone's done that. It's like what people do. But I have had the best idea I've ever had just right now.
You're being modest though.
I'm not very good at Lego.
You've made animations with Lego before.
Oh yeah, I have, haven't I? I forgot about that one. We made, what was the one I made with Jonathan called? That was fun.
Evil Penguin Motorbike Attack.
Evil Penguin Motorbike Attack. That was, go and check that out on the youtubes.com.
Is it on YouTube?
I think it is. I think you put it on there.
Brilliant.
And the end was like, next year, Evil Penguin Motorbike Attack 2. And yeah, that was funny. That happened. That was fun. That was Evil Penguins attacking motorbikes. Or whatever it was. I think it was an evil penguin on a motorbike attacking people.
You've got 1.5 minutes left.
1.5 minutes?
1.5 minutes. I've made 2 separate things. And one hasn't worked out too well. Neither have worked out too well.
Despite having so much Lego, I haven't really made anything with it. Like,
just follow your set.
well, I made a hillbilly in a caravan. Like, I found like this truck thing, turned it into a caravan, and found of Lego person and decided it was a hillbilly.
I need someone who cheeses panels. Find the cheese for me, Charlie.
20 seconds.
I need the cheese, Charlie. Sure, take away the barrier. Oh. Okay, you go first, Charlie. What is it? What does it do?
What's mine?
Yeah.
It's a spider.
It's a spider.
Who had like half of its legs torn off.
Okay.
It's like a really teeny spider.
Really small.
Really small.
Really.
Doesn't really do much. It can't walk properly. Can't stand up. It broke its leg in a fatal car accident which it had. And now this leg is...
I want to see a spider driving a car now.
It's lost like half of its legs and now this leg is wobbly. That's my spider.
Mine is... It's like the Coke van at Christmas time, but it's a Lego van. It comes around advertising Lego, clearly. And this year, advertising the brand new invention by Lego, a Segway thing that doesn't stand up. How many wheels has yours got? Mine has 6, yours has none. I win. That's how you win Lego. Speed, Men with Beards, episode 5.
Thank you for liking Men with Beards. It is a production of the Remix Youth Club and sponsored by Harbour Church, the letter B, and the Roger De Haan Charitable Trust. Goodbye.